I love it. I don't know somebody else, but I like it. I love it. I appreciate it because like I don't like. Let's see, I don't have nobody to take me, and they'll come and take me day and night.
So the new buses incorporate several features which customers and drivers found important. Mainly the fact that the bus is now a low floor as opposed to a lift on the old bus. It has an improved heating and ventilation system. It has the addition of a rear ramp and the inclusion, in addition to the side ramp. And it also has several more ambulatory seats. Well, we already have 2 of the buses on the road. Several of the changes that we've identified, several small changes based on customer feedback, we've given to the manufacturer, and they're incorporated into the rest of the buses. We are scheduled to take delivery of some of the buses this year and the remainder next year. Para Transpo is in the process of conducting these reviews. We will be having consultation sessions later this fall. These are topics which our customers and stakeholders have identified as being important through various means of communications with OC Transpo and Para Transpo. Part of the main reason why we're visiting these topics is a lot of the policies and procedures have been in place since the inception of Para Transpo. So based on customer feedback and stakeholder input, that's why we're reviewing them and involving the customers in the future of Para Transpo.
A good advantage of this, and I'm very happy with Para service. People like me, are very happy because if you have a husband and all that, they take you. But if you don't have that support, this gives you independence and go and do your work,